In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get any Steam game a lot cheaper. We're going to walk through a simple setting in your Steam account that updates your store region, which can affect the prices you see. Important note up front, you should only change your store country if you actually live in that country now. Steam's policies require your store region to match your real, current residence, and they may ask you to confirm that with a local payment method. Don't try to spoof your location or use tools that violate their terms. Start by opening Steam, either in the desktop app or a web browser, and make sure you're signed in. Look to the top right of the window. You'll see your account name with a small drop-down. Click your account name to open the account menu. This is your quick gateway to all the personal and purchase settings tied to your profile. If you don't see it, maximize the window or ensure you're on the store or community page where the header is visible. From that drop-down, click Account Details. This takes you to a secure overview page that shows your store and purchase history, payment options, and other important settings. Take a moment to confirm you're on the correct account and everything looks familiar. You're not committing to any change yet. You're just viewing your profile's billing and store configuration in one place. On this account details page, find the option labeled Update Store Country. Click that. This is the control that tells Steam which regional storefront to use for your account. When you open it, Steam may auto-detect your location or prompt you to select your current country. Typically, you'll be asked to verify the change with a payment method that's valid in that country. That's because regional pricing, taxes, and currency all depend on where you actually live. If you've recently moved, this keeps your prices accurate and can help you avoid foreign transaction fees or currency conversion charges. Once you confirm the country, your storefront will reflect local pricing, promotions, and applicable taxes for that region. Keep in mind that some content, gift options, or wallet features can vary by country due to regional availability and laws. If prices don't refresh immediately, give it a moment, sign out and back in, or restart the client so the store cache updates. Also note that you should have a valid billing address and payment method from your new country to keep everything working smoothly. That's it. By navigating to your account details and using Update Store Country responsibly, you'll see the correct local prices for your new location. Stay within Steam's rules and enjoy clearer pricing that matches where you live.